Four police officers, including the chief of the San Rafael Municipal Police Station in Bulacan, have been relieved and are facing charges after a bungled arrest operation mistakenly targeted the wrong man. Meanwhile, the Philippine National Police is ramping up security preparations for President Bongbong Marcos's fifth State of the Nation address next week. Mobile journalist Jazz Paredes has this report.
A businessman had just walked out of a restaurant in Baliwag, Bulacan at noon on Thursday. He thought his parked vehicle had been hit. But as he approached the highway, several men in civilian clothes suddenly grabbed him and tried to force him into a red vehicle. His female companion, along with people at the restaurant, intervened and stopped the men. What first appeared to be a kidnapping was later confirmed to be a legitimate police operation. 3 police officers from the San Rafael Municipal Police Station were serving a warrant of arrest, but they had targeted the wrong person.
It's a actual police operation, but the police operation is not following the correct procedure na pag-aresto, not following the police operational procedure.
The 3 officers, along with their chief of police, have been relieved of their posts and are now facing administrative charges.
They are now in hot water. They've been relieved of their posts. They were assigned to regional holding unit and facing administrative and criminal cases, including the concerned head of office or the chief of police o yung mga opisyal na nagsusupervise sa kanila.
The 3 officers also underwent incus proceedings after criminal complaints were filed against them, including physical injuries, unjust vexation, grave coercion, slander by deed, and attempted kidnapping. Following the incident, the Philippine National Police ordered all police commanders to strengthen supervision and closely monitor personnel during operation. Meanwhile, with just a week before President Bongbong Marcos' fifth State of the Nation address on July 27, more than 20,000 personnel will be deployed across Metro Manila to secure the event.
Yung comprehensive security plan po natin ay nakalatag na. Initially, we are deploying 20,000 personnel para po sa SONA. More than 20,000. This includes our allied or yung augmentation from other agencies like the AFP, the Coast Guard. Kung hindi ko lang mabanggit, meron pa pong mga iba tayong mga kasama dito. And of course, kasama na rin po dito yung ating yung action teams.
NCRPO spokesperson Police Major Hazel Asilo said civil disturbance management personnel will also be deployed to areas where protest rallies are expected. As of Friday, authorities had monitored about 4 groups from Quezon City seeking permits to hold rallies. The groups and their designated areas have yet to be finalized.
Regarding po dun sa kanilang mga designated areas, ifa-finalize pa po natin yan based po dun sa mga ma-approve na permit dahil aalamin po natin kung ilan yung kanilang mga expected attendees para po malaman natin kung alin-alin pong area yung possible po na gagamitin nila, na i-allow po natin para po sa kanila.